Are you ready to organize your closet once and for all? We bring you the most unique storage solutions for each piece of your wardrobe. Take a look at these 12 ways to declutter your closet. Number 1. Customize your storage boxes. Instead of buying organizers for unruly belts, scarves and bags, make your own containers out of cardboard boxes. First, remove the top flaps and cut the box down to your desired height. Then, wrap it in a pretty, patterned paper and attach a label to the front. Number 2. Hang jewelry on a thread rack. Transform your ordinary thread rack into a fabulous jewelry organizer. All you have to do is mount the item on your closet wall before you hang all your necklaces and bracelets. Number 3. Add portable drawers to your space. Invest in sturdy portable drawers that can easily be tucked under your clothes rack. Number 4. Maximize your hanger space. The Wonder Hanger lets you hang your shirts, jackets and pants vertically on one hanger, plus its strong metal frame supports up to 30 pounds of clothing. Number 5. Keep your clutch collection in order. Store your clutch purses in one section by using a lid rack to line them all up. Number 6. Place clothing items in garment bags. To keep your dresses and suits dust-free, use garment bags to section off your closet while your expensive clothes stay clean. Number 7. Straighten up your shoes. A shoe shopping addiction can wreak havoc on valuable closet space. Try these sturdy storage boxes to neatly group and stack your footwear. Number 8. Store accessories in a catch-all behind your door. Hang this shoe organizer over your door and stuff all miscellaneous items in the pockets. Number 9. Extend your closet in a spacious bedroom. This cheap clothing rack makes for stylish bedroom decor when you hang up your favorite fashion items. Number 10. Preserve pant pleats. Tired of wrinkles ruining your dress pants? Instead of cramming them in with the rest of your wardrobe, give your slacks their own area with this space-saving pants organizer from Rubbermaid. Number 11. Hold together your hat collection. Display your team spirit while keeping your family's baseball hat collection in order with this handy holder that slings over the back of any door. Each rack keeps hats from getting crushed in drawers or cabinets. Number 12. Make laundry day a breeze. If your laundry is taking up too much space, ditch the clunky hamper in favor of this durable canvas bag. The built-in hanger means it can dangle almost unnoticed amidst your wardrobe. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.